What's going on, guys? Today we're doing a little more different style of video because typically I do head cam and I feel like you guys don't know me much. So as you've seen in the last two videos, if you watch them, I like to drive around this area. Look how beautiful this is. It's gorgeous. I want to do more videos and I want to experiment with different types of styles of vlogging and stuff. So I don't want this channel to just be straight driving videos. I want it to be more indulged in like other things. So I want to have like daily life stuff. Today we're going to do a little bit more driving video, of course, it's the style that I'm going with right now, but I feel like I do want to indulge in a lot, and this channel I have high hopes for in terms of fun and how committed I get to it. And I think I'm fortunate to have something like this car, if you could even see it, to do these videos with. I love this car. I love that I have it. I love that I'm able to do videos on it. So hopefully you guys stick around, you guys love the channel, and you guys enjoy everything that I do. Yeah, so I'm gonna hop in the car. It is like 30 something degrees right now. I'm freezing, my hands are cold. I just started adjusting, but it's still freezing, and I don't want to get sick or anything. So I'm gonna cut to when I'm driving the car. We're gonna probably hit up some mountain areas that me and my friend take sometimes. I will be doing collab videos, or not collab videos, but videos with friends driving and stuff, so that way there's not just me, car, and camera. So yeah, and there was a nice GR Corolla that just passed by. I'm gonna cut awkward. All right, guys, I think we made it to the road. I'm a little nervous. It's my second time on here, and third time. This road's scary. So let's go, let's get into it. Bumpy. I gotta be careful there. Hurts. I have the steering on comfort mode and it's still a hassle. It just wants to pull you. That's what I love about this car, though. It has character. Looks like the road's got a little clearer. wrist is killing me. This car is insane. If you have a Type R, you know what I'm talking about. But this car, oh, if you don't have one and someone lets you drive it, obviously don't push it too hard unless they give you permission to and you have the courage to. Oh my God, these things, they hurt. They hurt like hell. Oh my gosh. If you were to take this car to take a Type R onto the track or anything, trust me, it is not for the faint of hearted. This, just because it's front wheel drive, does not make it easy on the hard turns. Oh my gosh, I love this thing. This thing is awesome. When I drove my GR86 through there, I couldn't even get that same experience. It didn't hurt me. It was hard to control, but the steering I felt was a little faint compared to this. People complain that this car doesn't have direct steering or anything, but I gotta say, it's pretty strong. And that was on the comfort steering. I can't imagine it being on sport or even Type R mode or R plus mode. R plus mode is really, really heavy. Yeah, there was a GR Corolla. It probably was the same one we saw before. You think he's gonna try playing catch up? We'll cruise, see if he gives me a thumbs up. Give him a thumbs up. Oh man, I hope you guys really enjoy these videos. I know I don't get much views or anything, but for the people that do come and tune in, I really appreciate it. I love making these videos. They're really, really fun. And as much as, you know, I kind of put myself at a little bit of a risk, you know, possibly almost damaging my car because, you know, the rough terrain and stuff, I enjoy it. And here's the GR Corolla. So cool. I actually almost got one of those, but I wanted one of these. I never expected to run into a GR on the road. Let's see if we could do it right here. All right, hold on. Yo, that thing's beautiful. You just got it? Yeah. Yep. Somewhere. I want to get this guy's Instagram or something. It's awesome. Get to tailgate. We're not tailgate, but we get to kind of like a Wangan. We're in a nice twisty highway. Oh, this is awesome. I didn't expect this today. I would love to own one of those things. You saw I slid, but he had traction. These tires are not the greatest in this temperature though. He's throwing a lot of rocks at me right now. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Wasn't expecting to come across a GR Corolla and driving with them. I honestly was surprised that he was pushing it. Typically people, they just give thumbs up and they just keep slowing down, but whoo, that was awesome. Oh man, I would love one of those cars. I would love a GR Corolla. Those 3 cylinders, they're no joke. They accelerate, and he was kicking up a lot of rocks. Luckily I didn't watch the car, so we are gonna watch the car soon. In the comments, if you made it this far, let me know if you want a video of me washing the car and, you know, like a day in the life kind of thing. I really want to try different things and see what sticks. I do like doing the tailgate stuff, but realistically it is kind of a decent ways from my house, and I do this upload thing 3 times a week. So Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, that's when you're gonna catch me. So realistically, it's not gonna really work out in the long run. I'm probably gonna stick to it for now, but I'm probably gonna incorporate car shows, car meets, and during the winter, you know, just doing different things. I don't want it to just strictly be cars, because I feel like that's restricting my channel. Cars are my niche. I love cars, but I don't want it to make it the only thing that I strive off of. Man, that was great. I think for that's really good to conclude the video with. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think I should do better. Tell me what you think about, you know, how I should indulge in different things, how I should embrace different aspects of content creation. This is new to me. Don't be afraid. Ask me questions. I prefer honest critiques over dishonest ones. Don't tell me something's good when it's really not. I was This Drive. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.